Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, welcome back to Mood Scale Adventure. Hey, got a new modification coming up. I just got it in the mail, got a package in the mail, and I'm excited about this one. All right, so you know what? Let me just go ahead and pull it in the shop. We'll unbox it. We'll take a look at it together. All right, sound good? Oh yeah. So what's in this box here? This is the Gleaming Alloy XO plate for the KLs. All right. This is a skid plate that protects your rear diff. So I'm really excited to get this skid plate. A little more protection installed. It's going to be awesome. All right, so real quick. Woo. All right, so real quick before we start unboxing here, I just want to talk real quick about this. So this is the Gleaming Alloy rear subframe skid plate. All right, so what is special about this? Why is this important? Why is it something that I wanted? All right, so take a look underneath your KL. All right, if you look underneath your Trailhawk, especially, you've got skid plates already there. You got a front and a mid skid plate. All right, and those skid plates, they're great. They really are. They're solid. I've dinged them. All right, I've pounded them on stuff. They hold up really well. Okay, but if you're on your skid plate, if you're sliding on a rock, right, on your skid plate, well, once you get past that mid skid plate, there's nothing there, right? There's nothing there for protection. So you'll drop off of that, and you have the potential of hitting wrong, hitting like your RDM that kind of hangs down just a little bit. But if you hit that RDM wrong, you're looking at around like $3,700 or more in replacement fees, right? In cost. What's going to cost you? So that's where this comes into play, right? So this rear subframe skid plate from Gleaming Alloy, what it does is it's going to protect that RDM and your rear subframe. All right, so some of the important things about it is going to be like this. This doesn't attach directly to the RDM. Like you don't bolt this to the RDM in any way. Okay, and why is that important? Well, say you hit the skid plate and it's attached to the RDM. Well, it's going to transfer all that force into your RDM, right? So you don't want to attach any protective plate to the RDM. The mounting points and everything, it's using existing mounting points, holes that are already there, right? This isn't something where you're going to have to drill into your subframe or drill into anything. You don't have to create the holes. Everything's already there. So let's take a look at it. All right, let's open this bad boy up. All right, so right off the bat, I should tell you all, this is not exactly how, if you buy one, it's not exactly how yours will be packaged. All right, this particular one is the last prototype that Gleaming Alloy put out. And this was really one that was used for fitment testing. So packaging is going to be a little bit different, more than likely. And there's a few things that might look a little different when it comes to holes on this from production model. All right, we got a lot of packing peanuts. Oh, that's nice. All right, we're going to pull everything out, and then after we get it all out, I'll open it all up and show you what we got. All right. I think I got everything out of there. pretty. Nice. Well, there it is, man. And I gotta tell you, that feels solid. That is awesome. That looks good. All right. Obviously, this isn't a modification you're gonna see on a daily basis. So usability is more important than looks. But it's nice to have something that looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and let's get this arranged, set up. And I'll show you what it'll look like underneath. So there it is right there. That's the rear subframe skid plate from Gleaming Alloy. All right, and this thing, all right. Woo! That right there, it's 10 gauge cold rolled steel. All right, powder coated, and it is a beauty. All right. Then the hangers are 1/4 inch steel. All right. Now this is one of those where production model will be a little bit different. You notice he circled the holes. Well, this was a fitment test prototype, so things have been adjusted a little bit. All right, so yours will be just a little bit different, but not much. It'll be a little cleaner. It'll have a little cleaner look. I say that, but this really looks amazing. Once again, Gleaming Alloy, they put out some of the best instructions. I mean, it's step by step. So, excited to get this thing put on. All right, so that's it. Not gonna get really any more in depth than that right there. If you got any questions, hey, feel free to put them in the comment section below. And one thing I don't want to forget to mention is we still have the 10% discount going on at Gleaming Alloy right now. So if you put in the code MOOTS10, you'll still get 10% off of this, anything on their site. This is one of them, the rear subframe skid plate, the stilettos, or if you're a WK2 owner, they have the XO plate as well. So check them out. Check out Gleaming Alloy. This thing, I'm excited. Get this installed pretty quick. All right, hey,